Now you know about uses of sea moss for your health, immune system, weight loss even, but for the skin, y'all, that is what I've been loving about Herbal Vineyards Sea Moss Gel. Sea moss is excellent for healing the skin for all kinds of skin ailments, even burns, eczema, scabs, wounds, and premature aging. Y'all, I am in love with this. You will not believe the amazement for the skin. Now, the main thing that I use it for, because I'm big into anti-aging, I use it for helping my skin to look youthful because it helps to restore elasticity to the skin and to help keep the skin firm. If you're looking for something that will stop that sagging, listen, try an amazing sea moss gel facial mask. And it's as simple as this. All you have to do is just take the sea moss, take a little brush, smooth it all over your face and let it dry. You can actually keep it on overnight if you wish, but you don't have to. Do this at least 1 to 2 times a week. And oh my goodness, it will be a skin-changing experience. Transform your skin with Sea Moss Gel by Herbal Vineyards.